Abuso yun.
Day 1, anong gagawin nyo?
With the situation right now, yung tema ng damdamin ng tao during the campaign, the most worrisome for them is the cleanliness of the city and the peace and order of our city and its citizens. And that will confront immediately on first few hours when we assume officially by June 30 afternoon. Ayun talaga ang prioridad kasi alam mo, nangadugyot ang Maynila ngayon, napapansin ng tao. And yung mga magulang, kaalala na kaliwat kanan ng snatching, dapping. Manila is the host for our educational institution. If not all, at least most schools are located in Manila. These schools caters for hundreds of thousands of students, day in, day out. The one who is living in the city through dormitory because they study in Manila, and the one who comes in and out of the city. And it is worrisome for our parents in the city. Plus yung mga taga-lungsod na Manila. It should be addressed by the local government. Abuso yun ng ilang individual. Meron isang insidente, I think 60 square meter, inutang niya sa Pag-ibig 500,000. Hinihingan siya 500,000 din. The most complaint that I received, ironically, is the zoning department. It's so grave that I cannot even quantify the number. The most complaint about corruption is zoning. Ito pang malungkot, nakakatanggap kami ng reklamo. 30 square meter, magpapagawa ng bahay. Mababalitaan ko na hinihinga ng 300,000 para sa zoning permit. May mga rules kasi sa building code, sa zoning, yung land use. I always try to follow rules. If there is what you call exemption, which meron, yun medyo inabuso yun ng ilang individual. Meron isang insidente, I think 60 square meter, inutang niya sa Pag-ibig 500,000. Hinihingan siya 500,000 din ng city government ng empleyado. Awang-awa ko, may isa pang matanda nagwala doon sa floor na kung saan may zoning. This is perennial complaint. There must be something to look into. Basta mga nanay, tatay ko, mga negosyante, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kakalusin ko po lahat yung mga nang-api sa inyo sa zoning. Kasi nakakasira yan ang negosyo.